Today we have a 2003 Ford Ranger. We're replacing the oxygen sensor. So I'm here under the right passenger side of the vehicle. As you can see, there's that O2 sensor that we were replacing. This is the upstream sensor. The downstream one, if you just follow the exhaust past the cat, will be right there. So we're going to be replacing the upstream one. So with a number 22 wrench or oxygen sensor wrench, we're going to remove this. So I end up switching to a 22 millimeter wrench to get this out, just so I can get a nice groove on it. So it's kind of loose now. I'm just going to twist it out. However, before I get all the way out, I'm going to follow this all the way up to the top here, all the way up to pretty much like the front of the transmission on the right side of it here. And then you're going to feel around so you can slide this off. Sorry, it's kind of hard to show from down here, but pretty much on the side, right up here. I guess I have to show you when I get it out, but once you slide it out, just unclip it and pull it down, or pull it out. Then go ahead and replace it. So I get this out and get ready to install the new one. So to get you a better view of this plug here that goes to the O2 sensor, on the opposite side of where it clips into the O2 sensor, right there in the back side there where my middle finger kind of is, it's supposed to slide into a little portion up there that holds it in place. So when you remove it, just slide it up to get it out, and then pull it out by pushing down the tab on the O2 sensor part and just picking it out. But anyways, before we install our new O2 sensor right here, be sure that there is some anti-seizing compound on the threads there, as you can see I have on mine, if my camera would focus better. But for the most part, as you can see, there's that little gray stuff on it. So I'm gonna go ahead and thread that in there, into that hole that we just removed right there, and then tighten it in and plug her up. So it will be done after that. So I have my oxygen sensor there snugged in tight pretty well in there. So I'm gonna go ahead and plug her up to the other portion right here. Let's see if I can do this with one hand. Alright, there you go. So you clip here, that click, just kind of follow up and slide it back into that little plastic tab up top here, somewhere around here. Just gonna kind of find it. Sucks I'm not using a lift today, but yeah, just slide it in and you're done. Clear the code. You can also use one of those special scanners to see the values, make sure that it's working. Other than that, you're done. So thanks for watching, y'all. Please like and subscribe. More videos to come.